Hello everyone and welcome back to one of our videos. Today my name is Mina and today we are going to talk about how to restore your backup on the iPhones that we've erased. So the first step was we took a backup from an iPhone that we have, and then we erased the phone, added to the Apple Business Management, and then pushed it to the MDM solution so we can manage the phone. Now the phone is fully added as per the previous videos. You can go back to the previous videos and look at it. Now the next step, the phone is managed. Now we need to restore all the backup on it. So on my Windows machine, I connect the phone to the cable, to the USB on the computer. iTunes appears up and it's asking me to set up a new phone or restore it from the backup. So I clicked on restore the backup, clicked continue. It asked me for the password. I've entered the password because when we took the backup, we encrypted the backup itself, and now it's restoring it. So it asked me for the password. I enter the password and it's now telling me on the screen the phone is being restored from the backup, restoring iPhone from backup, and then giving me time remaining is about X minutes. It depends on your computer and your phone, the storage, the data, everything. I'm just waiting for it now to restore all the backup, all the data on the phone itself. This is how you restore the data using iTunes on Windows machine. Thank you for watching and wait for more videos.